Hello everyone, I'm Ruchit Urunkar from Team 31. I, along with my other teammates Anagha Bhosle, Aishwarya Joshi, and Nesara Madhav, have developed a chat application within Kovitown. Let's take a look at its architecture. So, the architecture that we have followed includes a room chat REST API client for handling REST API calls between client and server. We have also used a chat service to implement these RESTful services. These services are mainly used to upload and share file within the town. For other type of messages, such as broadcasting a text message, direct text message, liking a message, and replying to a message, we use Chat Subscription Handler. Chat Subscription Handler registers all these events and uses chat listeners to take appropriate actions when these events occur. For file upload and share, we have used Google Firebase Storage, where we upload a file and share its downloadable URL with players in the chat room. We will now take a look at individual feature in detail.
Hello everyone, I am Anagha Bhosle from Team 31. We have developed Chatbox which includes the following features which a player can explore. Broadcast messaging, direct messaging, notify when a player joins or leaves the town, like or unlike a message, file sharing, reply to a message. I will be covering the broadcast messaging and the direct messaging. So, broadcast messaging is a feature that allows the user to send a message to all the players within the town. So, let's take a demo. So, in this town, there are three users, namely Alice, Bob, and Charlie. Now, if Alice wants to broadcast a message to all the users, she needs to select everyone from the drop down and needs to enter a message. Let's say Alice wants to say, "Hello, everyone." So this message will now be broadcast to everyone present in the town. That is, both Bob as well as Charlie will receive the message. Alice can also send an emoticon to all the people present in the town. So this emoticon will be received by both Bob as well as Charlie. We have also included one more feature wherein Alice can send a direct message to a particular user. For that, she needs to select the particular player from the drop down. She can say, "Hello, Bob, how are you?" So this message will be directed only to Bob. Charlie will not be receiving this message. So here we can see that Bob has received the message, whereas Charlie hasn't received any such message. Also, she can send an emoticon directly to a particular player in the player list. Let's say she wants to send an emoticon to Charlie. Now, this emoticon won't be sent to Bob, and Charlie will be the only person who will receive this particular emoticon. So that was it, and thank you.
Hi, this is Nesra Madhav, and I will be talking to you about other features which are available in our chat box. One of them is notify when player joins or leaves. When a new player joins the room, or when an existing player in the room leaves the room, then all the players in the room get notified, as you can see on the right. So I will be creating player 1 and a town called campus. And I'll go ahead and create another player, player 2, and I'll join the existing town campus. you will be able to see that the player 1 can see when a new player joins, and when a player leaves, that will be notified to all the players in the room as well. Another existing feature in our chat box is like or unlike a message. When a player sends a message, all the other players, including the player who has sent the message, can like by simply clicking on the heart icon of that message bubble. And similarly, a player can unlike a message by clicking on the heart icon as well. And the count or the number of likes received for that message bubble can be seen. So I will be joining as player 2 in the existing room. I will send a message to everybody, and I can like this particular message or unlike this message as well.
Now we will take a look at two more features of chat application. First of which is file sharing. In our chat application, players can share different types of files, which include text file, image file, audio file, as well as video files. To share a file, player can click on the pin icon and select and share the file. File can be shared as a broadcast message or a direct message. Such file messages can also be liked or unliked. Next, we have also implemented another interesting feature, which is replying to a message. So a player can reply to already sent message in the town. To reply to a particular message, player has to hover over the original message, which brings up reply icon. Upon clicking on the reply icon, a pop-up window appears where player can input a reply text. Upon sending the reply, based on the type of the original message, if it was broadcast message, reply is also sent to all the players in the town. However, if the original message was the direct message, reply is only sent to the players involved in the direct message. A reply message can also be liked or unliked. Now let us take a look at the demo. So currently, as we can see, there are three players, Alice, Bob, and Charlie in the town. Let's say Alice wants to share a file. Upon clicking the pin icon, the file browser opens, and let's say Alice selects a file to share. As you can see, the file has been shared. Now, since Alice had shared file with everyone, all the players in the town gets to see the file. Upon clicking the file, it gets downloaded to the player's machine. This file message can be liked by everyone, as well as it can be unliked. So this is how a file sharing can take place. Now we will see how can we reply to a message. So let's say also maybe we can send a file to a single player, which is a direct message, in which case we will select Bob and send file to only to Bob. Now we expect that Charlie has not received that file. As we can see, the file has not been sent to Charlie. However, it has been sent to Bob, and Bob likes the message. Now let us see how can we reply to a message. Let's say Alice sends a broadcast message, which is received by everyone in the town. Now this message can be replied by everyone. So let's say Bob wants to reply to this message. So the reply message now appears over here. Note that since original message was broadcast message, reply message is also sent to every player in the town. Now let us see if someone sends a direct message. Now here, Charlie wants to send a direct message to Bob. Now we expect that this message should not go to Alice. And as we can see, that message has not been sent to Alice. However, Bob has received the direct message. Now Bob can like as well as reply to this message. Now note that since the original message was a direct message, a reply is also sent to only Charlie and not to Bob. And as I said, we can also like or unlike the reply messages. That is it from me. Thank you.